We're back with our friend and Brittany and my sister-in-law, Brittany Grandizio. Brittany knows all about essential oils, and she's going to give us some tips and hacks that we can use to keep our home smelling heavenly. So, Brittany, could you tell us what got you hooked on essential oils and what you love about them?
Yeah, so I got started with oils a few years ago when I picked up a curling iron on the wrong end. So as you can imagine, that didn't feel very good. I was actually at the beach, and so I ran to CVS, picked up a few different ointments, and really none of those were working at all. So my friend, I remembered she had just gotten into essential oil, so I gave her a call. She said, just try putting lavender oil on it, this wonderful oil right here. So I put it on there a few times. Every few minutes I kept applying it, and within minutes the burning stopped, and it never blistered, and actually within a few days it healed. So that really sparked my interest and kind of got me doing some more research on the different benefits of oils and all the different uses of oils. So I am no crazy oil lady, but I do believe that God gave us plants and just natural things on this earth to use as alternatives to our chemical-filled products. You know, we're not perfect in our household, but we just try our very best.
Yeah, I like that.
That's good. So what are some of these products that we have in front of us? I know some of them because I have some of them. But.
So as I said earlier, lavender oil, they actually call this the Swiss Army knife of oils because there's just, it's a multitude of things that it's good for. Obviously burns, cuts, scrapes, even for sleep. We like to diffuse this at nighttime. We rub it on the bottom of our feet. Any skin problems you might have or respiratory issues you might have, any scars. I even like to mix it with bath salts, throw it in your bath just to kind of relax and calm down after a long day.
Love a bath, so I'm all about that.
And Thieves is also another one of my favorites. This is actually really great for boosting your immune system. So what we like to do is rub it on the bottom of your feet, on your spine. If I'm not feeling 100%, kind of drop it under your tongue. Maybe put it in a hot cup of tea. Which I know
Diffuse
you
it every night like I do.
Diffuse it, yes.
Because I love the smell
love
and
it.
I just love,
breathe all this goodness in.
Yeah. Now, when you use them, do you use them straight or do you mix it with, because I know some people mix it with coconut oil or some other kind, something else, or do you just use it straight out of the bottle?
I personally use it straight, but if you feel like your skin is a little more sensitive, I would mix it with a carrier oil. If you're using it on your child, I would definitely mix it with a carrier oil.
Okay.
But I like to use it straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, what else? Which other ones do you have there?
And we have lemon, also another one of my faves. So lemon is actually really good for any digestive problems you might have. I love to use this in cleaning. I love to diffuse it to really purify the air. It just smells really good.
It does.
One of my favorites is, you know, the sticky residue that's left on like the from all the stickers? Drop that on there, wipe it right off.
Nice.
And then for you girl moms, I actually learned this recently. You know the little clear elastic things that you put the little hair, you drop that on there, rub it off, and it comes right off. So it doesn't get stuck in their hair.
Wow.
Doing that for my hair ties.
Okay. Yeah, you are.
I get stuck.
Getting it.
Okay, next we have frankincense. So this was obviously valued in biblical times, and it was brought as a gift to Jesus. So you know that this is such a good oil.
Yeah.
This is really great for your muscles, really healing the skin and any skin issues you might have, and it even boosts your immune system.
Oh, I like that.
Interesting.
It's a good one.
Can you talk about this before you do that, could you jump and just talk about the cleaner, because I am completely obsessed with the fruit and veggie wash.
Okay, so this Thieves cleaner is all we use in our household. It smells amazing. It's chemical free, and it's even cost effective. So that it takes one capful for this whole bottle.
Wow.
So it's a concentrated
It's
solution.
ultra concentrated.
Awesome.
We love it.
I use it on everything.
We clean it from everything from our countertops to mirrors to our bathtub.
Yes.
We use it on everything, and I even spray it on, because I think you taught me this, on my plants to keep them shiny and to keep the bugs away.
Yep.
So
the plants like them.
Plants.
No, the real plants.
The plants,
They actually really love it.
It keeps them shiny and keeps all the
because
bugs
they
away.
told me. And also, one more thing, because this is a staple in our house.
Yes.
The fruit and veggie wash.
This is great because you think about our produce is sprayed with everything. So this is going to safely wash away any pesticides, any contaminants, anything you have on your produce. And it's actually going to help keep your produce
fresher.
Yeah, like last. The shelf life.
It keeps it fresher longer, which is really great.
Wow. I had no idea. Very
And
cool.
you have one more there. What's your last one?
Oh, yes, and we have peppermint. This is also a fave, too. If you have any any spots of like tension, any headaches, rub that on the spot, rub it on your temples. You can even put a drop on your thumb and put it on the roof of your mouth. If you're nauseous, any respiratory.
Just don't put that one in the bathtub.
Yeah, I did that one time.
I did too.
That wasn't
by
good.
accident.
I had to, that was bad. Yeah, it was bad. And even to wake up in the morning.
I didn't know.
It's true.
My skin was on fire. It's not like I got attacked by a hill of fire ants.
It was bad times. But I even like to diffuse this in the morning with lemon to really wake you up and get you ready and started for the day.
That's awesome.
That's awesome. Those are great tips.
Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts on this topic with us in the comments. And don't forget to check out fism.tv/outspoken for some more exclusive content. We will see you next time.